this trellis, and at some point we will have a whole trellis filled because we have peas on both sides, and the trellis will be covered with pea vines, and you can walk underneath it and see all the little peas hanging down. So that's the goal.